Welcome to Xamarin Form Tutorials. In this tutorial, we are using how to implement effects in our Xamarin form. So here we use the XAM effect in our Xamarin form. It's a third-party plugin and we have to use this inside our Xamarin form so that we can put any of the effects, tap effects in our views. So how to do that? So to use the XAM effect, we have to install the library from the NuGet package. So I'm going to the Solution Explorer, go to the Manage NuGet package for solution and search for XAM effect. Okay. So after searching the XAM effect, you have to install this XAM effect to all of your projects. So I already installed this effect to all of my projects. So now I am going to implement this, how to use this effect in our layout, so that whenever we use any gesture, whenever we tap any other view, so that we can get a effect. Okay, so how to implement this? Okay, so here I am using a simple stack layout here, and inside this stack layout I am using another stack layout, and inside this stack layout I am taking a simple text, and here I am using text as click me. Okay, so this stack layout I am putting a background color inside this stack layout as a red. Okay, and this stack layout color I am giving the height request as 40 and the width request as 150. Okay, and so okay, so here is the stack layout. So when I am clicking on this stack layout, it is not showing any effect. So how to use this effect? So we already installed the XAM effect inside our Xamarin form all projects. So here I am pasting the namespace of XAM effect. So after using the XAM effect, we can use the effect inside our layout. Remember that we can use this effect inside the stack layout, grid layout, and not in frame and any other particular views. Okay, we can use it inside the layouts only. Okay, so you can see also the documentation of XAM effect, how to use it. You can just easily search on Google and search for XAM effect for Xamarin form. You can get the all documentation of XAM effect. So how to use this XAM effect inside the stack layout? So here I am using the namespace name is XE. So here I am using the XE dot touch effect, and here I am using the color. So here I am using the color as gray. Okay, so when I am using this color as a gray, now you can notice that when we tap on this stack layout, it's showing a effect of gray color. Okay, we can use any of the color. Now the next thing is coming, that whenever we click on this stack layout, it is showing the touch effect, but how to bind any command inside here? So we can easily bind the command. We can simply use the xe.commands. Here is the long tap parameter, tap and tap parameter. So this is the long tap commands and this is the tap command, and we can pass any of the parameter through the command. Okay, so here I am using the tap command, so we can easily bind any command here. Okay, so after binding the commands, these commands we have to implement inside our view model. Okay, so here suppose this is the submit commands. Here I am using this submit command inside this long tap command. So now you can notice that I am setting a breakpoint here, this return function, and when I click on the gray box, red box, it's hit the submit commands. Okay, so that is the XAM effect. It's pretty simple. You just install this XAM effects, use the namespace and implement the color and use the commands. So that's for today. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.